Till Japan, Child Soldier. I'm trying to remember last time. What's that? What's that? Damn, what song I'm thinking about? Oh my god, I forgot how it goes, bro. Oh, skate, come and say that day on these fuck niggas. Boy, you think that my first rodeo? I get on the niggas up run. Guess they in and out they cardio. Yeah, that shit hard, bro. That song was Skate and Until Japan. That's peak. Like that's a peak duo right there that I actually really need more of.
Damn. Oh, popped out with her, I ain't fucking till a year later. Eat me like annihilator. That pussy, I annihilator. Keep on chirping, pussy, I'm due to see it sooner or later. I'm Coney 2012, these child subs, I'm Darth Vader. Getting a bitch, hey, yeah, I invade her. She can't never think about shit without thinking about me. When I met the hoe, I been planning in my seat. When Japan come on, they got them jumping out they seat. You don't believe how I bleed? I bleed purple, I'm not human, you get what I mean. I'm the South Atlanta Buddha, baby, it's crazy how I get. You not cool enough to kick it with me, can't get how I live. I can get you looked out fucking with me, quick, you know I'm trill. Then I lick on his little bitch ass, fuck this hoe in his crib.
Yeah, you talking now?
Right through doors, but I flow like Messiah. I got steeds, I got bunnies, baby, bounce for the dogs. I'm on Hugh Hefner beats.
Okay.
You can't fuck with my gang, cause
little
you
smooth
don't
one.
got the badges. We got all these dicks necessary for the action. We got all the bitches clapping ass in the section. I just brought the check up, now I hear nobody laughing. Bitch, a junkie asking me for Molly, here's an aspirin. My child soldiers pop you in the head and quit the acting. Pop out with her, I ain't fucking till a year later.
The voice
Give me like
is
annihilator. Pussy, I annihilator. Keep on chirping, pussy, I'm due to see it sooner or later. I'm Coney 2012, these child subs, I'm
This nigga Autumn dropped the deluxe, bro. Why would you tell me that, gang? Like, you see me listening to some good ass music, some good ass Until Japan, and then you just gonna taint my mind and eyes, having me intake information that I didn't need, bro. Especially some shit like that. Like, come on, gang.
I didn't need that. Can't never think about shit without thinking about me. When I met the hoe, I been planning in my seat. When Japan come on, they got them jumping out they seat.
Okay, this smooth, this good Until Japan. Solid tracks. Nothing too crazy. Yo, niggas still putting Vivo at the end of the corner of this shit? Oh, what the fuck, my nigga? Oh, nah, Vivo. Y'all niggas doing too much. Hey, man, this solid tracks, though. Nothing too crazy, in my opinion, from Until Japan. Compared to the shit he dropped before this. This was solid, though. 1 out of 10, I'll probably give it a cool, off of first listen, maybe like a solid 8. I like the middle portion of the song. When he was actually getting into the verse, he started talking overly, and the flow or whatever he was doing with his voice was fire. I fucked with that. Good song, though. Solid 8. Not too crazy. TK dropped the song. I might have to, my nigga, listen to that shit just for the respect, gang. I'm not gonna lie, cause he's not getting out till I'm a cool 87, bro. I'm gonna be 87 when this nigga gets out, gang. And I ain't gonna lie, at that point, I might be green off some TK. So